today's video, we are here in the most popular tourist spot in Bonavista, which is the
CAMBUHAT Oyster Farm.
And we have heard that this place is rated as 5-star in the Google because it has a most popular view in Bonavista. So what are you waiting for? Come and witness us how we sincerely enjoying the view. Mabuhay! I am Flormir Bintolan, your #1 tourist guide. As of today, I reside in the area which is, you can clearly see, a big Christmas tree with a full of talaba or oyster in English. This idea came from the owner of the co-workers. They have an idea to put a talaba as their design on this Christmas tree, because this place has a full of talaba or oyster in English. This place is called the CAMBUHAT Oyster Farm, and which is Oyster Farm gave a good taste to the tourists who came in here. So if you want to buy a talaba, you can clearly or freely ask to the owner of how much the talaba is. And I'm sure that you will like it because the talaba tastes good.
Mabuhay! Good day, everyone. I'm Catherine Makabotbot, your #2 tourist guide today. So now we are here in the cottage where you can free to relax and enjoy the scenic view and feel the fresh air. But if you want to use the cottage, you will pay first, worth of 300 pesos. And if you have your food, you're free to eat inside the cottage.
Hi everyone, good morning. My name is Erwin Otariba. I'm Jerry Carta. And we are the tourist guide #3 and #4. If you can see this area is a big ocean and a boat. And this boat is the main source to catch the oyster faster. If you want to witness how to catch the oyster, you can ride a boat. We know that you will enjoy this moment.
Mabuhay! I am Flormir Bintolan, your #1 tourist guide. So I assigned in this area too, which is, you can see, a big heart sign. This sign will make a like to the tourists because the tourists like to take a picture with their family, with their friends, and with their lovers. This heart sign can make a good relationship towards each other. So if you want to visit in CAMBUHAT Oyster Farm, you can really take a picture with this heart sign.
Mabuhay! I am Emily Falia. I am tourist guide #4. We are here in mangrove trees. As you can see here, there is a lot of mangrove trees, and this area you can take a picture, and you can go there to see the view of the sea.
And that's all for today.
And we hope you will visit this tourist spot. Bye-bye! Amping!